If you look at the crypto ecosystem, there's crypto property, there's cryptocurrencies, there's crypto platforms. Ethereum's crypto platform. Bitcoin is property. Ethereum, everything else in the crypto ecosystem, likely they're all securities.
Michael Saylor is an American entrepreneur, co-founder, and executive chairman of MicroStrategy, which has become the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, currently owning over 600,000 Bitcoins, valued at more than $33 billion at this moment. Watch this video until the end to find out how one of the smartest billionaires explained Ethereum. Also, you can buy and trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and over 500 other cryptocurrencies on the BTCC, one of the best no KYC exchanges. Register through our link in the description today and claim up to $1,000 for signing up, depositing, and trading.
Ethereum's crypto platform, right? People are building other things on that platform, and that's the principal appeal, smart contracts and the fact that you can build something. Bitcoin is crypto property. It is a long-term store of value, and it is the dominant crypto property. And the way it establishes itself as crypto property is through Nakamoto consensus and proof of work. Bitcoin's the only proven digital property that we have created in the world. We have created a property and not a security. The definition of property is a common commodity that is beyond the control of any one individual or corporation. If something is deemed property in a legal sense, it means it wouldn't be regulated as a security by the SEC. Gold is property. Soybeans are property. Wood, lumber, land is property. Bitcoin is property. Securities are regulated by the SEC, and you can create a security. MicroStrategy, MSTR, is a security. Ethereum, everything else in the crypto ecosystem, likely they're all securities, right? Why are they securities? They're controlled by groups of developers. They're issued pursuant to ICOs, initial coin offerings. That makes them a security. If there's a pre-mine and there was a group of individuals that initially control the thing, it makes it security. If if anyone can exercise undue influence, it becomes a security. And technically, if you look at the definition, it's when you're making investment of money, relying upon the efforts of others and expectation of profit, it becomes an investment contract, a security. If you look at the crypto ecosystem, there's crypto property, there's cryptocurrencies, there's crypto platforms, and there's crypto securities, and there's even crypto art. Right? These are just asset classes. Maybe there'll be crypto commodities. NFT is crypto art. It's like art cryptographically protected. Stablecoin is cryptocurrency. A dollar or a euro moving on crypto rails. It's currency because I can move it as a medium of exchange without paying a tax bill on it. The fundamental difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum is Ethereum's monetary policy changes every 6 months. The thing you need to know about Bitcoin is on Pizza Day, May 22nd, 2010, Bitcoin was trading for a couple of pennies for the first time in 15 months or something like that. The protocol hadn't changed and has not changed. When it was a penny, the protocols were all the same. Today, they're the same exact protocol. And so this is a very bright line, property versus security. And as soon as you start to exercise influence over the protocol, it becomes a security. If you look at all the cryptos, there might be a dozen that you could debate are property, a debate. Of the ones that you could debate are property, there's one that's dominant, which is Bitcoin. There's 17,000 securities. As the SEC and the regulators move, there's going to be a massive shakeout. If they ever do clarify what the securities laws are, there's a whole set of disclosures and obligations, and then you're going to see the entire industry rationalize in a big way.